Guys, welcome back to Professional WordPress Web Development course. In this video, we'll see how to create pop-ups. In this complete module, we'll be dealing with everything related to Elementor pop-ups. And this pop-up is one of a breakthrough feature that has been created by the team. And trust me, it saves hundreds of dollars for you and for your clients for your any future projects, because you don't have to pay for third-party services to install a simple pop-up on your websites. All right, what we'll do is we'll divide the complete topic in three parts. The first part will be, I'll just give you a demo of what kind of pop-ups, what are pop-ups and what kind of pop-ups can be created by using Elementor Pro. And in the second video, we'll get back to the dashboard and we'll create actual pop-up. And in the third video, we'll see how and when and where we need to show the pop-up, and when to trigger that pop-up, after what events we need to trigger that pop-up, and what we need to do to display the pop-up on certain pages, right? So in a three-part module, we'll complete the complete concepts of pop-ups. All right, let's get started with the first one. So I have created a page called pop-ups here, and I have added that button over here on the menu as well. I hope you know by now that how to add this on the menu. Now, see, if you see this page, I just added a header element and some text below that. And then I have created 6 pop-ups over here. First is on load pop-up, and second is exit intent pop-up. Third is based on number of clicks on the website on a page, the pop-up will trigger. And the fourth one is after scrolling certain area of the web page, the pop-up will display. And next comes when we click on some buttons or links, then that's, if you need to show that pop-up, then we can do it. And also we can show a pop-up based on inactivity, in the sense there is no user activity on the web page and the web page is idle for some times, then we can display that pop-up as well. So where is the pop-up? These are just icons and text here. So the pop-up is, I'll just refresh this page and let's see the pop-ups in action, right? So let's get started. So first one, we'll see a pop-up as soon as the page loads. So let me refresh it and you'll be able to see a pop-up. See, as soon as we refreshed, a pop-up came from sliding animation from the left side of the screen, 30% off, right, with some random text and a beautiful background image, and there is a buy now button. So you can use this pop-up for various reasons, like in case you want to show some discounts or coupon code you want to display, then you can use this kind of pop-ups, right? The situation can be dependent on the project that you are working on, but you should know when to create the pop-up. The content within the pop-up can be customized, so we'll see that anyhow, right? This is the first pop-up as soon as the page loads. And the next pop-up is as on exit intent, right? In the sense, whenever a user, right now I'm the user for this website, and in case I try to cancel this tab, see what happens. As soon as I go here near cancel button or anywhere above the page, then above this web page, then this pop-up will show up, right? Don't miss out, subscribe now. So whatever, you can just add a urgency message over here. You can stay in loop by joining our newsletter or something like that. Then you can show this pop-up. Or if you want to show some discount coupons, don't leave the website. If you want, here's the 10% extra discount for you to purchase the product on our website. In those cases, we can use this kind of pop-ups, right? These are all called as exit intent pop-up. And then this pop-up came up. So I'll tell you, let me cancel this. So what is this is, based on number of clicks the user has done on a page, based on that as also we can display a pop-up. See, as soon as the visitor comes to a page, and suppose that he clicks on a web page, let's say 5 to 10 times, Then if we think that he is clicking on the web page several times and he might be interested in some discounts, or he might be interested in our product, so let us show them some extra details. You can show that extra details in a form of pop-up, or else you can give him additional interest to purchase the product by displaying some discount coupons, right? Or any certain messages that you want to show after number of clicks are done on website. Clicks can be anywhere on the web page, anywhere. So this pop-up demo that I have created is triggered after 5 clicks, right? So I'll just show you once again. I'll refresh this. So this pop-up comes as soon as we load it. So now this is going to be counted as first click, and now wherever you want, you can just click 4 times and then the pop-up will appear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We clicked 4 times somewhere, and then the first time we clicked on the closing the first pop-up. So total 5 clicks are done. So as soon as 5 clicks are done, we need to display this pop-up that we are here for you, and you can just tell us your details and we'll get back to you, right? This is a beautiful pop-up in case the website visitor is stuck somewhere and he's keeping on clicking on certain element or a certain component. The reasons might be slow internet or the page load issues or something like that. In those cases, to avoid a bad user experience, we initiate this kind of pop-ups. So don't worry, it is like telling the customer that don't worry, we are here and we know you're struggling with some component. We are here, just put in your details and we'll get back to you and we'll help you out, right? So this is kind of a good gesture by a website owner. This is a third example. So now let's go to the fourth example. That's after scrolling percentage of the web page. The web page is long, right? Here from the scrolling option, you are able to see that right now I'm probably in 20%. 20% of the screen has been covered. Now probably 30% of the screen is covered. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. As soon as I scroll 90% of the web page, in the sense, as soon as I come closer to the end of the web page, I need to show a visitor with a discount coupon of 20% off and the sale and a call to action button that is purchase now. So this depends on user psychology as well. You will learn more about that in our further projects, but you should know that what kind of pop-ups we can create based on the events. These are all called as events. As soon as the page loads, there is one event. As soon as the user tries to exit the page, this is a second event. And based on number of clicks, we show a pop-up that is nothing but number of click pop-up. And then based on the scrolling percentage, we show that a user up a pop-up. Then this is a scrolling pop-up. And then next comes is we can show pop-ups if a visitor clicks on certain link or a button. So right now here we have this button over here right below, and if we click on this button, a pop-up will appear, right? And now we can cancel it, right? This can be really useful in so many cases. You can add a contact support center, and as soon as customer clicks on that button, you can just share your customer support details over here, or you can add the form, or you can show discount coupons, anything, right? So, and then the last but not least, you can show one more pop-up in case the user is not interacting with your website at all for a certain amount of time. In this demo, I have set this as 1 minute. In the sense, if I don't interact with the website for 1 minute and if I stay inactive for around 60 seconds, then a pop-up will come that, oh, we missed you, welcome back to our website. That will be the message on that pop-up. So probably I will not be able to show you right now, or what we can do is let's wait and I'll speed this speed up the video recording for you. Let's just stay inactive for a while and see and wait till the pop-up comes up. Right, so as soon as 1 minute is completed, this pop-up came. And right, welcome back, we missed you. So this gives a kind of a good user experience for the visitors, where as soon as they come back and they see this pop-up welcoming, the website is welcoming them, so they'll get interested in the website, and probably chances are there that they'll make a purchase as well, because now they have started trusting the website owner and website and the company itself, right? So you'll get to know more about these pop-ups and when to trigger and all those things. But for the goal of this video was we can create these kinds of pop-ups, right? So now that we know what is the scope of Elementor pop-ups and how dynamically we can create pop-ups, now let's learn actually how to create pop-up in our next video, right? Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.